Capo, paso Azares, paso dari Capo again. Bibigyan kay Capo ang titira agad ng cross to fight by number 18. Jalo pemainsakan ng bola. Pasa Singpet. 15-second shot clock by Singpet. Singpet titira ng press. No good rebound number. Nawani Torre Capo. Torre Capo bibigay kay Namo ang titira naman ng dos. No good kanan rebound number. Nahuli Pruden. Pass to Singpet. Pass to Lon, back to Singpet again. Galupo advice. No good rebound number. Number 27, no good, number 18, Namuang. Ito na si Valdez, may taka ng bola. Valdez, binigay kay Azares sa press. 3 points! Out-bounds, bola ng team ng Trimeg. Torre Capo again, back to Torre Capo. Bibigay din naman kay Namo ang 5 shots. No good, rebound number. Nakuha ni Valdez. Valdez sa gitna. 2 points by number 2. Official score natin 7-0 in favor of Trimeg. Galupo. Loon, babawi ng 3. No good again, rebound by Valdez. Ito na si Azares. Nauna pass to number 13. Number 13. No good rebound number. Nakuha ni Loon. Loon, nakuha ni number 13 again. Number 19 pass to number 18. Namon at sa imod na wala. Outbound St. Paul. Six minutes and 16 seconds. Lon, Baso, Galupo. 10-second shot at by Singpet. Ito na si Namon, bibigay kay Valdez. Valdez, pass to Torre Capo, back to Valdez. Valdez, titira ng dos. 2 points by number 2. Galupo, long 3 points. Torre Capo naman sa kabila. Bibigay kay Namon out of bounds. Substitution rep. Minutes and 20 seconds by Galupo. Galupo na naman. No good rebound by number 23. Pass to number 13. Nakuha ni number 23. 10-second shot na by Leon. Foul. Foul by number 13. Number 13. First personal foul. First team foul. Galupo advice. Ebon. Valdez may tangan ng bola. Pass to Azares. 15-second shot clock. Lifting violation. Ball ng Team Barkada. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Singpet, titira ng press. Ebon again, rebound by Valdez. Ito si Azares nagmamadali. Azares aatake. Foul. Nakipakay pa number. Babawi sa kabila. Aatake si number 16. No good rebound by number. Azares is a lifting violation. Substitution rep. Check. Yellow po sa press. No good. Rebound ka naman. Nakakuha ni Pera. Ito na si Azares. Azares, clear and floater. 2 points. Pera number 21. Simpet naman sa kabila. Bibigay si number 16. 15 seconds shot clock by Bebe. 10 seconds shot clock by number 16. Simpet. Steal by number 13. Ito na naman nakakuha ni Simpet. Simpet aatake si number 16. 2 points by number 16. 1 minute, 3 minutes time. Second shot clock by number 13. Number 13. No good. Diba may Simpet? Ito na si Simpet. At sa aking monta wala ang bola na ako ni Azares. Azares. No good again. Na ako ni Pera pa rin. Pera. Pass to Azares. 15. Second shot clock by number 37 of Barnes. Yellow po papaw ng 3. In and out. Last 15 seconds by Easy. Paso Derek Campo. Binigay sa gilid. 3 points. Last 5 seconds. Official score natin 23-6 in favor of Trimeg. Yellow po. Paso Singpet. Singpet, wrong 3. No good, diba? May number 27, number 27, foul! Foul by number 18, number 18 first, personal foul. First, team foul. Shots by number 27. In and out. Second shot, 20 jumpers. Over again. Rebound by Valdez. Ito na si Azares. Azares na naman sa Perez. No good. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Cutting pass by number 17. No good. Rebound by number. Out of bounds. Same ball. Isip pa siya na bola, paso Valdez. 2 points by number 2. Balon. Balon sa press. 3 points. Minutes and 5 seconds by Azares. Bibigay kay Isip. 15 seconds shot clock by Azares. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. 10 seconds shot clock by Valdez. Pass to Isip. Isip ito ka na bola. Bibigay kay Valdez. 5 seconds shot clock by Naduan Sagos. 2 points by number 18. Ito na si Isip. Still by number 21. Isip din sa kanang bola. Bibigay kay Valdez. 15 seconds shot clock by Pera. Is that the ravening violation? 20 puntos kalamangan ng Team Trimeg. Singpet. Block by number 18. Same Substitution rep. Second shot ng Basic Bet, pass to Lon. Lon may saka ng bola, bibigay kay number 19. 10 second shot knock by Balon, pass to number 18. 5 second shot knock, nawala naman ang bola. Ito na naman si number 13, nagtama din yung number 13. Logan ka lang dito ang number. Nakuha ni Pera, Pera sa ilalim, foul! Substitution rep. Pushing foul with number 11, first personal foul, first team foul. 4 minutes and 32 seconds remaining time. First shot for number 17, no hold, second shot, ready, jumpers. Singpet bait sa akin ang bola. 15 second shot knock for number 27. Number 27. Iza, 3 seconds violation. Substitution rep. Bibigay kay Lon. Lon pick again. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ni Lon pa rin. Nakuha ni Lon. 5 second shot knock for number 11. Get pass and 2 points for number 11. 15 second shot knock by number 21. Valdez na naman sa goal! 2 points by number 22. Singpet once again. 15 second shot knock by number 19. Ball on bars. In and out. Three by number 17. 15 second shot knock by number 21. Pasok to the campo. 10 second shot knock by number 17. Number 17. Foul. It's a troubling violation.
Okay guys, pasulit na ng mga motor na nasa gilid, pinalabas na si Konsyal. Pasulit na po ng mga motor sa gilid. Okay. First ten, t-shirt, wala sana all, t-shirt, wow! T-shirt, grabe! T-shirt po natin na isa, tapos meron pa naman soft drinks sana all. At napapahanap ko kayo mamaya, abangan nyo yan. Hoy, nakakalabuya ka din si Maricon. Grabe yan! Grabe!
Galaw pa sa ng bola, bibigay kay Singpet. Ito na si Singpet, diniskat na naman sa number 16. Bibigay kay Galupo sa 3. No good, 3 mga number. Backboard violation. Azares, paso, Torrecampo. Torrecampo, bibigay sa ilalim, steal pa number 60. Ito na si Singpet, at sa akin naman, no good pa rin, rebound pa number. Now, number 13, back to number 16, beautiful pass, 2 points for number 13. Foul. Nice, see you, number 19. Number 19, 2 points for number 19. Baba sa 18 ang inahabol ng barkada. Number 13, no good, rebound by Singpet. Ito na sa Singpet, may tsangan ng bola. 4 laban sa 2, pass to Loon. 2 points by Loon. Nice yun naman. Time out, Rainig. Binabati ko po ng magandang gabi si Konsi Saddam, Konsi Giljeng, Konsi Arman, and Konsi Sitcha. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Back to the ball game. 14-point lead by Team Trimeg. Offensive foul by number 27. Number 27, third personal foul. Official score natin 46-60 in favor of Trimeg. Galupo, may tsangan ng bola. Bibigay kay Singpet. Singpet titira ng 3. 3 points! Onse na lang ang inaabol ng barkada. Nawala ang bola. 8 seconds violation. Galupo, paso Singpet. Singpet na naman sa 3. Foul by number 19. Number 19, second personal foul. First team foul. Wala na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Trimeg. Binabati ko na magandang gabi si Consiel John Alvarez. Magandang gabi po. Nice, wala kayo naman ang team. Paso lang. Noon na una pa. Check. Foul by number 13. Number 13, second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots by Loon. First shot by number 11. Basket at first draw. Second shot ready, jumpers. Basket again. Anim na lamang ang kalamangan ng Trimeg. Ito na si number 13 nagmamadali. Babawi si number 17 ulit. Out of bounds. Same ball. Foul. Foul by number 16. Number 16, second personal foul, second team foul. 14-0 run by Team Barkada. First shot to number 17. Baslang first cross. Second shot ready, jumpers. No good. Rebound by number 19. Ito na Barkada. Balon may sanga ng bola. Bibigay kay number 15. Second shot na by number 19. Number 19 sa 3. No good. Foul.
Wait.
Substitution na foul by number 18. Time out Barkada. Number 18, second personal foul. Third team foul. Remaining time now at 8 minutes remaining time.
Lagi mong babanggitin yung oras. Oo, lagi. Basta kada possession, banggit. Dalawang team foul na. Sila? Tatlo. Tatlong team foul na yan.
8 minutes remaining time. Valdez may saka ng bola. Out of bounds. Save ball. Valdez fake. Valdez fires. No good. Rebound by number. Now ni Sigbet. Ito na si Sigbet. Nagmamadali. Number 16 outside. Ibang side. Set by number 16. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 13 may saka ng bola. Pass to Valdez. Bibigay na wala. Nakuli Azares. Azares sa 3. 3 points! Seven minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Pabawi 3. No good. Rebound number 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Now ni Galupo babawi ng 3. 3 points. 5 seconds. Violation. Jersey number 28 is on running for technical. Pasulon! Number 28 Number 13 may saka ng bola. Bilang-biling. Bibigay kay Azares 15 seconds shot. Knock by number 37 sa 3. No good. Ito na si Balon. Foul. Foul by number 13. Number 13, third personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution rep. Minutes remaining time para kay Balon. Balon paso, Galupo 15 second shot na. Galupo sa 3. No good, rebound by number 37. Azares wide open. No good. Galupo na wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Labon kay Singpet. Nawala, Singpet pa rin. Foul! Foul by number 13. Number 13, warning for graduation. Third, team foul. Two shots by number 16. First shot by Singpet, passing up first draw. Second shot ready in Japanese.
5:22.
5 minutes and 22 seconds remaining time. Second shot. Basta again. Official score natin 64-59 in favor of the Rymeg. Minutes and 20 seconds by Egypt. Bibigay kay Valdez. Ito si Valdez. Popersa. Valdez. Contra Perry. 15 second shot clock by number 292. 10 second shot clock by Egypt. Egypt na wala. Egypt lulusot na wala. Number 16. 5 second shot clock. No good. Pass number 16 pa rin. Number 16. Tatlo na lamang ang kalamangan. Dahil sila naman nilang. Nilawan pa sa number 16. Time out, Bart Rymeg. Official score natin, 63-64 in favor of Rymeg. Wala na po time out ang Rymeg. Official score natin 63-64 in favor of Rymeg. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Valdez pass to Alzares. Alzares pinigay kay Egypt. Egypt, beautiful pass. Number 27, first personal foul, warning for penalty.
Judgment call.
Second shot holding down first. Basra Sandra. Entra sa Singpet. Singpet pa rin. Nahul pa rin. Rebound pa naman. Nawala bola. Nakahuli na mo 18. Nawala pa rin. Nawala 27. 15 seconds shot up. 15 seconds. Foul by number 27, Singpet, second personal foul, penalty. penalty. Four minutes and 7 seconds. Ball shot by number 37, ready jumpers. Back ball throw. Minutes and 5 seconds. By Sinpet. Sinpet may sanga ng bola. Crossover by number 16, 15 seconds shot ng Galo. Ball fires. No good. Foul. Foul by number 27, third personal foul, penalty. Substitution na rin. First shot, very easy. No hook. Second shot, ready jumpers. Backlas, second throw. Brother from Maitana, foul. Foul by number 13, number 13. Running for penalty.
Wala. Wala!
Sinpet may sanga ng bola. 3 minutes and 45 seconds by number 16. Goes over by number 16. 15 seconds shot left.
Nagubat. Matik yan. Ano yan? 24 na lang. 24. Alis for 24. Anong best yan? Bawal yan.
Pass ng ball shot. Galupo. 10 second shot lock by Sinpet. Sinpet sa 3. No good. Out of bounds, ball ng team Trilog. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Nawala. Out of bounds. Now one number 13. Number 13, titira ng boss. No good. Rebound by number 37. Alzares, wala. Wala. Nawali Valdez. Ito na si Valdez, may saka ng bola. Valdez po, persa, bibigay kay number 3, pass to namuwag po shot, no good. Rebound by Valdez. 10 second shot out by number 21, pass to Valdez. No good. Galupo, left hand to point by Galupo. Tatlo na lamang po ang alamangan ng team ng Trilog. 15 second shot lock by Alzares, pass to Valdez. Valdez sa gitna, tupoy ang dos, no good again. Valdez pass to number 37, wala number 282. Wow! Who's foul rep? Foul by number 282. Number 282. First personal foul, penalty.
Time out ka na.
11 seconds. Once again, our official score 2 minutes up. Remaining time na rin 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Official score natin 66-69 in favor of Trinidad. Back to the ball game. Both teams, wala na po kayong timeout. Both teams. 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Two shots for number 24 Fuentes. First shot pass ng first cross. Second shot ready droppers. Second shot. Pass again. Out of bounds, same ball. Advance pass kay Galupo, foul. Foul by number 18. Number 18, third personal foul, penalty. 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Two shots by Galupo. First shot, no hold. Second shot, ready, droppers. Pass ng ball, sentro. Nasty! Defense by number 11. Dalawa na naman po ang alamangan ng team ng Trinidad. 1 minute and 54 seconds, foul. Foul by number 11, second personal foul, penalty. Remaining time na rin 1 minute and 54 seconds. Official score natin 69-71 in favor of Trinidad. First shot by Valdez. Pass ng first cross, second shot ready jumpers. No good. Pirame number 37, wala pa rin. Jaboy Boy ng team Barkada. Barkada Boy. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Simple pass to Galupo. Galupo sa 3. More time this game. No good. Rebound number. Nawali number 37. Ito na si Azares. Nawali. Isip. Aatake. Foul. Offensive foul. Offensive foul by number 21. Number 21. Second personal foul. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Simple again. 15 seconds shot clock by number 16 sa 3. Valdez naman sa kabila. Puwersa si Valdez. No goal, Pirame naman. Jaboy isa, save ball. Save ball tayo, save ball. Both teams, wala na po kayong timeout. Both teams. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 16 seconds shot clock by Team Trinidad. Valdez, 15 seconds shot clock by Valdez. Ito na si Valdez, may tahan ang bola. 10 seconds shot clock by number 22. Number 22. Kinis natin, bibigay kayo number 5 seconds shot clock. By number 18. Last 49 seconds. Ito na si Nabuag. Nabuag may saka ng bola. Nabuag pa rin. Nabuag na lang. Foul. Last 39 seconds. Foul by number 23. Number 23, second personal foul penalty.
39 seconds.
Both teams, penalty tayo, both teams. Official score natin, all 74. Parehas lamang. Last 39 seconds remaining time. First shot by Nabuag. That's the first throw. Last 39 seconds. Second shot ready, Choppers. Pass again, 2 out of 2. Galupo, didiscount si number 18. Galupo for shot, no good, remember. Nakuha ni Isip. Ito na si Azares. Last 13 seconds. Azares! Goal by Azares. Last 25 seconds. Is at the rebound. Who's fouled up? Foul by number 3. Number 3, second personal foul penalty. Last 22 seconds. Substitution rep. Last 22 seconds remaining time. What a game! What a shot by Simpet! Remaining time na rin, last 22 seconds. Ball shot for number 16. No good! Nahuli kalaban, nakakampi. 15 seconds shot clock. Advance para ng team ng Raimeg. Last 16.8 seconds. Last 16.8 seconds. Official score natin 77-78 in favor of Raimeg. Nahuli naman. Foul! Line foul by number 21, third personal foul penalty. Remaining 10 na rin, last 14.9 seconds. Official score natin 77-78 in favor of Raimeg. Raimeg po ang lamang. 2 shots by number 18.
Shot. Ito na mag-OT. OT mo pa.
Last 14.9 seconds.
Tracking foul? Ang layo naman. Hawak na ng referee eh. Hawak na niya yung bola eh.
First shot by Galupo. No good. Second shot ready, Choppers. Basa last second throw. Last 14.9 seconds. Nahuli Galupo. Nahuli na referee. Last 11 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 5. No good.
What a game!
Check. Remaining Taylor last 2.4 seconds. Official score natin last 2.4 seconds. Official score natin all 80. Nakashoot po ng isa sa number 18 na free throw. Last 2.4 seconds. Si Benny nga ba ang magtataguhin sa team na Barkada para makapasok sa semi-finals?
Last lap na laro mo yun! Ganda ng laro! Ganda ng laro! Grabe! What a game! Pinakamaganda! Grabe ka nun! Grabe nun! Grabe! Grabe mo! Picture!
Grabe! Grabe yung laban! Ngayon na! Grabe, solid. Dikit na dikit. Boss Mark! Ang galing mo na, Boss Mark!
Sabi ko lang is, first of all, ating kay Lord na sa lakas na binigay sa akin kahit wala ako sa kondisyon. And then, talagang hindi pinush ko lang yung mga teammate ko. Talagang minotivate ko sila na huwag sumuko. Talagang huwag sumuko and sipag lang talaga. And yun lang.
So ngayon, dahil nakapasok kayo sa semis, 4 na lang kayo. So nagbunutan na tayo. Ang kalaban nyo ay Calle 9. So ano ang preparation na gagawin nyo naman sa Sunday na to? Isang araw na pahinga lang.
Same lang din. Ganun lang, go hard. Sipag lang talaga. Talagang tiwala lang sa sarili. And hindi kami magkakanya-kanya kahit marami kaming ganun na nagawa. Pero talagang communication is lang.
So sa panalo nyo, ano yung sa tingin yung naging key ng panalo nyo ngayon? At gagawin nyo sa Sunday din para makapasok sa finals?
Sipag lang talaga and wag susuko. Yun lang talagang push lang sa sarili. Hindi lang sa sarili, pati sa mga teammate. And wag i-down yung mga teammate. Yun lang.
And yun, shoutout ang mga babatiin mo para ilagay natin sa ating
Shoutout sa unang-una sa family ko, kay Lord, sa mga kuya ko na nag-guard sa akin, and sa mga teammate ko dyan sa Interbarangay dati, and sa mga bosses ko, tsaka mga leader ko dun sa trabaho ko na pinayagan ako mag-cut-OT ngayon. Lalo na kay Shane, na mahal na mahal ko. Yeah!
Salamat! Congratulations!